Hey guys, welcome back to Renee GTV. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to unbox Disney Doorables, and this is the Nightmare Before Christmas. This is the first one that I've done, so we are hoping to get the bonus figure. You do get these 8 figures shown, but only some boxes actually have the bonus figure. So let's see if we got that today. Just going to remove the plastic. Okay. And let's see what we got. Have you guys done these sets? I really like this idea and it seems pretty cool. So I'm just going to bust it open here. Now there are 9 figures we want to collect, but we do get 8. So we have 8 doors. I'm not sure if that means we only got the 8 figures or if there's more bags behind certain doors, but we'll find out. So this is the certificate, and these are the 8 that we get. This is the bonus, so that's pretty cool. Jack glows in the dark, and you can spin the mayor's head. All right, guys, I'm pretty excited. Let's get to this. So we'll start here. Oh, we got one. So let's see who we got. Oh, wow. Okay, I don't think that was supposed to happen, but we got 2 of Barrel. We got 2 barrels. And let me kind of put in there, he is super cute. Both of these guys are. Very cool. All right, let's go. That was both in one bag. I'm not sure what to think about that yet. All right, let's see what we got in this one. Oh, very nice. So we got Shock, and that is super cute. The detail is really nice. Very cute. All right. Let's get you back down here, and we'll set these guys up here a little bit. That is so strange. Have you guys ever gotten the same figure twice? All right, well, let's keep going. Let's see what this one is. Oh, this is Lock. Super cute. That is super cute. All right. Oh, I'm excited. I hope we get Santa Jack. This is Sally. She is adorable. She fell back in the door. She is super, super cute. Okay, let's go with this one. Okay. Look how cute. Jack. All right, he glows in the dark too, so keep that in mind. Put him here. Who else did we get? Let's see. Oogie Boogie. Oh, adorable. Love it. Totally love it. All right. And 2 doors left. Uh-oh, guys. 1 door left. I'm not sure if it'll be 2 bags or 1. Oh, yay, 0. Well, he's on this door, so I don't know. We will have to see, but he is also super cute. All right, let's get him over here, and let's get Sally right there. All right. Oh, 1 bag. And we don't have, who are we missing? The mayor. The mayor. And this is the mayor. Oh no. He's cute too. All right. Well, we didn't get it, but I can tell you what, I'm going to definitely go and we're going to find another one of these and see if we can find Santa Jack. I hope you guys come along with me on the next one and see if we can complete this set. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye-bye.